Now, I think this meeting has been convened basically to discuss the funding of the Honorable William Ruto, Dr. Kamagi, the Principal Secretary of the State Department for Infrastructure, Mr. Joshua, Mr. Abil Oraka, the CEO. Welcome all of you to this meeting. It was organized at very short notice that the next 1 or 2 hours we will have runs up to about 1 o'clock. This was just to allow that
to chair this meeting today, and I appreciate, give my appreciation that we encountered in the past. Creating roads, making framework. We'll definitely have a new solution to address those challenges. Of course, it's that this framework has come into account and creates an opportunity for. I always said that the banks are very committed to connect to government on particular projects. It's perhaps the biggest project in terms of the change and destiny of our nation. Your Excellency, we are also happy to know that
to sell this to you as much as the government needs to sell it to you. We as out, that's fine. But bottom line, I think what we are trying to say is that various other costs of the equation, right? Then it changes a